Most ain't being a nigga, you heard me. I can survive on my own. I don't need none of you yogurts. Y'all the main, you heard me. This is what a nigga do on a Sunday. You see this right here? You see this right here?
Pot roast, nigga.
Fried potatoes.
Fried pot roast.
I don't know what he talking about. Fried potatoes. You heard me.
Man.
You heard me. Hold up, wait a minute.
This is a black person's meal.
That's him. That's my man Boogie the Fool. See that? See that? Pork chops.
Niggas eat peanut butter.
You see the pork chops? Get that off my face. See that? You see the pork chops? Yeah, you see him. You see him. Yeah, the man.
Yeah.
Barbecue chicken. You heard me.
I'm gonna do an MTV crib, yo.
Greens. Yep, we do this. I'm a motherfucking nigga. No, that's something you don't want to see. That's grease. Look at the string beans. You see that? You see the string beans? Huh? Do you see the string beans? Do you see the string beans? You see it? Yo.
Got to stand up, style.
I'm a fat boy. Look at that. Look at
You feel me?
I'm gonna tell you something. Stop playing with me, Smokey.
Make sure you put that on there.
Make sure you put this in everything. I'm lying.
No.
Don't listen to them.
Put this on everything. You feel me? Hot sauce. Yeah.
I mean, nigga about to eat. You see my stomach? This is what smoking and eating do. You wanna see this faggy? He another Joe.
What?
It's a Joe that you don't know. It's probably this nigga right there. Yes, sir. Yeah, you heard me. But I don't think this gonna make it to YouTube.
Bitch, I ain't gay.
This probably don't. You ain't what?
I ain't gay.
This nigga did a belly dance.
In front of
us. In front of us.
On my bed.
In our room.
On his webcam.
Oh, his hand. But he lift up his shirt. And did a belly dance.
What?
A belly dance.
What?
Belly dance.
That's nasty.
That's gay.
Alright, put that on Facebook.
I told you he a gay cowboy.
Man, this will be on Facebook.
His name is Lucius. You know what his stripper name is?
Hon.
Oh, alright.
Alright, it's we done. So.
Is we done?
Yeah, we
Peace out from my world.